you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are kicking off the new year with an easy, simple, and delicious recipe. It's minimal prep, minimal ingredients, minimal cook time, but it is guaranteed to be a hit. So let's bring in and show you how we're gonna prep up our doctored up sausage skewers. All right, so all I have here is a pack of Johnsonville Beer Brats. Now you can use whatever sausage you want, Italian sausage, chorizo, which would have been really good with this recipe today, but I couldn't find any, cheddar dogs, cheddar brats, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's very simple. Make it your own. I've even seen these with pizza before, pizza toppings. Make it your own, make it delicious. And I actually got the idea for these from my buddy Brian over at B-Woods Barbecue on Instagram. I'll have a link for his Instagram channel down below. Go and check it out. He does some awesome content and he's a great guy. So I'm gonna open these up. And basically how they're laying in there is how we're gonna skewer them. So I'm just gonna get these set like so. Now I've seen a lot of people where they do 2 skewers like so, and I think that's fine if you want to do it that way. I'm gonna do 3 and I'll show you why. So we'll just come through like that. And you can see they're all skewered there. And we're gonna come through this far side like that. And then we'll come through this other far side like that. So the reason that I'm doing 3 is because we're gonna make sure that these have even toppings all throughout. So when you slice, you'll come down this way, you'll come down this way, and each little chunk is gonna be on a skewer to pull off, gonna each have some topping on there, and that's what we're working with. So I'm gonna go get the Lone Star Grill's pellet grill fired up to 325 degrees. We'll get these on, and then we'll make our toppings. Simple, easy, minimal ingredients, absolutely fantastic. So I'll meet you out at the Lone Star Grills when we get these on. All right, so we have the brats on the Lone Star Grill's pellet grill running at 325 degrees. We're gonna let these go for 15 minutes, come out and flip them. Just keep doing that until they're done. I'll bring you back after when it's time to do the first flip, and then I'll bring you back when it's time to doctor these up. So we'll see you in 15 minutes. So while the brats are cooking for the first 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and prep some of our toppings, and it's very simple. 2 Roma tomatoes, a jalapeno, some cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic, because I really like garlic. You can add that to taste. Some kosher salt to taste, and some lime juice. Basically, we're making a salsa fresca or a pico, whatever you want to call it. I also have a block of pepper jack cheese that we will freshly grate, so the cheese police don't come at me for using shredded cheese. Pre-shredded cheese, I should say. So I'm gonna get these all chopped up, and we're gonna get this made up. And I almost forgot one crucial piece here, a white onion. So I'm gonna get this chopped up as well. All right, and I am gonna add 2 more tomatoes. I just wanted to see how we were looking with 2. So I'm gonna add 2 more because it definitely needs some more tomato in there. Basically, we have an onion salsa right now. And because sometimes I'm not the brightest bulb, I need a bigger bowl to mix this up. We'll get that all mixed up, incorporated nicely. Now at this point, we're gonna come in with some of our lime juice. And we're gonna do some kosher salt to taste. You can make it as salty or not as salty as you'd like. Keep in mind that is kosher salt, so bigger granules. So it looks like I added a lot, when really I didn't. We'll get that all mixed up. And of course I need a little bit of black pepper just to top it off because I love black pepper and I think it's gonna be great. Make this your own, whatever you wanna do. Get that all mixed up. And bam, there we go. This is going to be fantastic on these brats. It would be fantastic on nachos, tacos, whatever. You can really use this for a lot of different applications, whatever you want. But first we need to try it and make sure our seasoning's there. Very good, very fresh. So I'm just gonna get this back in this container and it'll go in the fridge until we need it. And there we go, into the fridge, a whole batch of fresh Pico. This stuff is amazing. Takes a few seconds to chop up. Highly recommend making this up. I'll have the full recipe down below. All right, like I said, we're gonna grate up some cheese, and I am grating it myself because I don't want the cheese police coming at me. So I'm always sick of the comments of stop using baked cheese when realistically 90% of these people probably use it on a daily basis, but you know how the keyboard warriors are. So I'm gonna get this grated up. All right, and there we go. There's our freshly grated pepper jack cheese. This should be enough to cover them. If not, I'll grate up some more, but I think this will be plenty. We want even coverage of everything. Let's go out and check on those brats. All right, so it has been 15 minutes. You can see we got some color on here. I'm just gonna flip these over like so. Beautiful char marks on there, good color. I'm gonna let this go another 15 minutes and I'll bring you back when they're about done, and we're gonna finish up the process, get them dressed up. We'll get them in, do the taste test, but yeah, these are gonna be absolutely amazing. We will see you when it's time to dress these up. All right, so it has actually been another 15 minutes, so 30 minutes total, and these are looking good. They're actually temping out perfectly. So now I'm just gonna get the cheese on here. And like I said, I want even coverage all around on both sides because I want every bite to have some cheese. So I'm just gonna spread this all around. And I'm gonna use all the cheese. It may be a lot, but whatever. We're going extra cheesy today. Just like that. We'll give this about 5 minutes for the cheese to melt. I'll bring you back, show you how it's looking, but these are just about done. Not bad for 30 minutes. See you in about 5 minutes. All right, so it has been about 5 minutes. Check it out, cheese melted, bubbly, looking really good. We're gonna get these off, let them cool for a little bit, top them off with our fresh Pico, and we'll slice it and try it, but not bad for a little 30-minute meal here. Looking fantastic. We'll see you inside after these cool. All right, check that out. Looking amazing. These have cooled a little bit. Now we're gonna dress them up with our fresh Pico here. Just even coverage all over so everybody gets a bite. Take your time, make it look nice. This is just gonna add a beautiful freshness to this simple, easy, quick dish. And there you go. There are our sausage skewers. And like I said, I like to use 3 of them for this reason right here. Come in the middle. Oh, look at that juice. Come through, all the way through. We'll come through on the other side. Just like that. So everyone gets a beautiful skewer. A little bit of something on every single bite. That looks amazing. So let's jump out and let's do the taste test. All right, guys, and here we go. Moment of truth. I'm gonna pull one of these off here. We're gonna give it a try. Check out that cheese pull. Oh yeah. Little piece of sausage, got a little bit of everything on there. Let's do it. I have no words. These are fantastic. It's a heck of a way to kick off 2024. Very simple, 30 minutes, minimal ingredients. Fantastic result. Make these for tailgating, make these for a snack, make these for supper. It doesn't really matter. You could also keep them whole, put them on a bun. All I know is that these are going to be a regular at my house. Cheesy, fresh tasting with that Pico. Absolutely fantastic. One more, we'll sign out here. I got nothing else for you guys. Go make these. They're a must try. Probably one of my favorite things I've cooked recently. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.